Hey guys! Today I'll show you how you can verify your Airwallex account. So let's get started. First, you need to complete your business information. Airwallex requires proof that your business is legitimate, so you'll need to upload documents like your certificate of incorporation or articles of organization. If your company is registered in the US, you'll also need your EIN confirmation letter. Make sure your business name matches exactly with your profile. Even small differences can cause delays. Next is verifying the business owners. Airwallex needs details of anyone who owns 25% or more of the company. You'll have to provide their full name, date of birth, and ownership percentage. Along with that, upload a clear government-issued ID, like a passport or driver's license. In some cases, a quick selfie verification may also be required. After that, you need to show proof of business activity. This is very important. You can provide a working website that clearly shows your services or products. If you don't have a website, you can upload recent bank statements, invoices, or contracts to prove your business is active. Now, verify your residential address. You can upload a utility bill or bank statement with your name on it. Make sure the document is recent and clearly visible. Finally, review everything and click Submit. Usually, Airwallex completes the initial review within 1 to 3 business days. Keep checking your email in case they request additional documents. That's it. Once everything is approved, your account will be fully verified and ready to use. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.